he's gonna come up with it. Talking, I don't know what that meant.
That was good though. I mean, yeah, because you kind of.
So Chris Tice is basically gonna perform. You have like a six-pack under there.
Get a picture of all of us pretending like we're working.
I'm posing for this camera, so like
you
looks
started
like we're
recording?
filming.
Already. I've been waiting for you for like 30 seconds.
All right. Hey guys.
Yeah.
Hey. Hey, what's up, guys? We just parked the car. We're here. We're at the bar.
Yeah.
This is Chris Tice.
Sugar
We got Dirty Diesel.
Dirty Diesel.
Who's gonna get mad? Jesus?
I don't know how to
Is
say
that where
it.
you want to be when Jesus comes back?
And or f me in the asshole. Hey guys, what's up today? It's f***ing. Hey guys. Hey guys. Shh.
Okay.
Hey. Hey y'all, it's Chris Tice with the Street Cowboys and XDL.
Aren't you sad you don't have one anymore?
Hey guys, today we're here with Dusty Dynasty. And speaking of burnouts, Dusty, let's go to you.
I don't think I'm in the camera.
And
Go back, start again.
it's a fish angle, dude.
A fish angle.
Fish. Hey guys,